Hi everyone, Yasas, que kalosirtate to another episode of Dimitra's Dishes. Today we're making a delicious loaded Greek bread dipping oil. I love it because you don't have to cook anything. You just put everything all together, mix it up, let it sit for a little bit, and then all you need to do is spoon this over feta cheese, which of course takes it up another level, or just serve this with simple toasted bread and things like that, vegetables. You could put this out for guests with a cheese board or whatever appetizers you have, and it is so delicious. Simple ingredients, but big flavor. Let me show you how I make it. Okay, everything comes together in a plate and you don't have to cook anything, so that's lovely. We're gonna begin with some garlic. You can freshly grate one garlic clove into the plate, or if you freeze garlic the way I do, just break a little piece off and put it in the plate. It'll thaw out in just a few minutes. Next, I have these sun-dried tomatoes. I love buying them packed in olive oil. I'm just going to finely chop them, or roughly chop them actually, on my cutting board until they're just little bite-sized pieces. These are gonna go into the plate right over the garlic. And then we have Kalamata olives. These are already pitted, so it cuts your work down to like almost nothing. I'm just gonna coarsely chop these as well. Of course, you can use your favorite olives if you don't have Kalamata olives, or if you prefer a different kind of olive, like a green olive or whatever you love, you can use that. Just go ahead and roughly chop it and put it in the plate. Next, I'll zest half of a lemon over this, and this is gonna add perfume and freshness, and it's gonna be so good. Then we're gonna do the herbs, so about half a teaspoon of dried oregano or more, about half a teaspoon of dried thyme or more. You put as much as your heart desires. I like to also add some crushed red pepper flakes to this and some freshly cracked black pepper. Lots of olive oil goes on top, but before you add the olive oil, I just like to mix everything very gently all together, so that way everything is coated evenly and just well distributed. Then I go in with a heavy, good amount of olive oil. Make sure you're using the best quality olive oil that you can find. It should be cold pressed and really green and very fruity tasting, just like as if you're eating an olive. Pour that on top. You can add some more oregano on top. You should let this sit for at least 5-10 minutes. The longer it sits, the more the flavors are going to come together. And it's ready to serve as is. You can just warm up some pita bread or your favorite hearty bakery bread if you like. My favorite way to serve this is over feta cheese. I just like to spoon as much of it as I can over the feta cheese, let everything come to room temperature, and then when you warm up pita bread or whatever bread you're using, it just tastes like you're eating bites of heaven. It is so good, but of course you can serve it as is and leave the feta out, or you can crumble some feta cheese on top and just add the feta in the oil in just a smaller amount. I'll put all of the options on the blog post, but it's ready to serve. And there you have it. The bread dipping oil is ready. You can customize this, so if you don't like something, you can switch it out for something that you love. I love this just the way it is. It tastes even more delicious as it sits. You can make a bigger batch and keep it refrigerated and then let it come to room temperature and put it out when your guests arrive. My favorite way to serve this is over feta cheese, and then I just warm up some bread and let people dig in. You can put more olives around the feta cheese, but there's just the right amount of olives in the dip itself. It's pretty delicious, so I think you should try it. Head on over to the website to print this one out. If you make it, let me know what you think about it in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I'll see you all next time. Yes, us.